Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. Reverse H pattern, slingshot. Reverse H pattern, lightning to the upside. Reverse H pattern, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half the gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the high of the day. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So we broke the high of the day. We're moving with acceleration. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wait for the first retrace in this move. And then after that first retrace, we'll start locking in that $1 move and play it bar by bar. Let me change this transparency. Let me see here. Okay, that's better. So this way we can watch the price together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, right here is a $2 move. As you can see, we're starting to get up to there, but also we have to notice that we're not accelerating like we used to when we did that first retrace. So we're going to manage this bar by bar. If we get close enough to that $2 marker here soon, we might close out with profits. I want to see progressive speed and violence to the upside. Because if it doesn't, it will fade out and we might come back down to the 21. And to be honest, that is about a $1 drop, and I don't want to sacrifice all that hard-earned money that we made up into this point. So again, we're going to manage it bar by bar. If it kind of hesitates to get up to that $2 marker, close enough is good enough in that situation.
Order fill.
And there's about a $1.95 move, ladies and gentlemen. Close enough is good enough in these situations. If you stick around and hope that it'll go a little bit more to make a little bit more, you wind up giving a lot more than you bargained for. So over 4 minutes of time, we had little to no follow through. So that's an indication that we're starting to lose juice. What I expect to see happen here in the near future is the price to drop down to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. And based on how it reacts to that 21, might be an early sign that the price will hold and proceed to make new higher highs after that point. But we're not going to stick around. It was a very good setup. We spent about 10 minutes in this trade, so it's a very good day for us. So never forget, be a pro.